Welcome to Strasbourg. So this is actually the Christmas capital of Europe. It was influenced has been influenced by both French and German. But we are currently in France. I am here specifically for the Christmas market, meeting up with my friend Kat. I'm going to show you guys around the Christmas market. I think tonight, maybe tomorrow, we'll have to see. Kat's train broke down, and so she's running a little late, but I just took a taxi from the train station. It was about 16 euros, and then you tip around 2 euros per bag. Yeah, this is already just so cute, and I cannot wait to show you. Established in the 12th century BC, this adorable town has always been a place for trade and tourism, as it's located along the Upper Rhine, where several rivers meet, and is also known by the name of the Alsace region. The 466-foot tall sandstone Gothic Strasbourg Cathedral dominates the space and is usually where you will find most of the Christmas markets. And the waterways, which hold the rich history of trade of wine, grain, and textiles. With so much history and beauty here, it is no wonder that Strasbourg is a UNESCO heritage site. So this is where I'm staying. It's Le Bouquier d'Or. Probably said that wrong, but this is the name of the hotel. I will link it down below. This is a 5-star hotel, and it's literally within a 1-minute walk to the Christmas market. I am so excited to show you inside because this is the first time I've stayed at a 5-star place. I'm just so excited to celebrate my birthday. I just checked into the hotel. We're trying to get a reservation for tonight, and I'm checking into room number 7. I can't wait to see this room. This enchanting little haven is a perfect place to stay for those who are looking for a quiet escape, but also to be right in the center of Strasbourg near the Christmas market. Coffee, tea. Don't know who that is, but hey. Oh, wow, look at this bathroom. Oh, oh, and the rainhead shower. And look at the view of the garden. Oh my gosh. You know, as women, we all deserve to feel like a princess sometimes, and I definitely feel like one right now. Bed test. Very soft.
This is the first year that we are.
So we are inside the Cathedral de Notre Dame here in Strasbourg, France, and it is a UNESCO heritage site. They broke ground in the 10th century, and it took up until 1439 to complete. It's considered one of the finest pieces of Rayonnette Gothic architecture, and is now, to this day, the 6th tallest cathedral in the world. And they've got it beautifully decorated for Christmas. They have the astronomical clock over here. It's just stunning.
Christmas this year.
There are 9 different areas with Christmas market stalls in them, the biggest being around the cathedral. But I would definitely plan on at least 3 or 4 days here to really experience the Christmas markets and see all of the sights in Strasbourg. Liver?
Liver.
And what are these different kinds?
Duck or goose?
Everybody who hasn't met her before, this is Kat. She came with me to Puerto Rico, like I was saying. Finally made it on the train after it broke down a couple of times, but we're headed over to the cathedral, going to try and get a reservation for dinner. If you don't want to eat at the Christmas market and want to try some Alsatian food, you need to have a reservation, so try to do that online before you come. But let's head back over to the cathedral. The bells. Had to do it. Had to get my Christmas ornament. This one has Strasbourg and the cathedral on it, so happy days! These are so pretty. Look at the one at the top. This is all different kinds of like gingerbread loaves. And then this is a fruit loaf. And they've got teas and Mrs. Claus and jams and all sorts of cups and stuff. This is such a cute little shop.
While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's a full moon right there. This is so cool. This really is probably one of the best Christmas markets I've ever been to. They've got like lights all up and down the streets leading to different areas of the 10 different Christmas market stalls. There's probably 30 stalls in one area. They've got grog all over the place with like pear and orange and just so many different flavors. And they also, if you don't drink, they have non-alcoholic like hot juices that they have different flavors of as well. So it's so cute here, and so many little different stalls with great gifts to bring home. So 10 out of 10. So this is the Christmas beer. Ooh, it's very like spicy. It smells that way anyway. Ooh, that's really smooth. And it's not bitter at all. But it's not sweet. It's very mild tasting. Really good. This is a vegetables of winter soup. It's like a curry pumpkin with walnuts almost. So this is the sweet bread that Kat got, and you just eat it with the sweet bread with some bread. The flavors on that are so good. So this is the duck foie gras with the raspberry sauce and the pear. Oh wow, that's so smooth. Really, it's rich, but it kind of, that richness comes after the lightness of the pear, so it's really, really good. Okay, I've got the fish. It looks almost like a pea puree or something. And then this thing on top, I think it's a corn husk. I have no idea actually. It's got some pine essence in that sauce. It's really good. With some salt. And then the skin on the fish, and it's like a savory, buttery flavor that is a cross between halibut and chicken almost. It's really good. Would you like a leafy treat? I wonder what these are. Oh, it's marzipan. No, not marzipan. Oh, what's that egg white? The fluff. Oh. Mascarpone. It's like a spicy blackberry or something. And then the fruit. That's like a spiced apple. Delicious. Homemade ice cream. Light, fluffy, with hints of orange and some raisins and almonds in it. It's pretty good, especially as breakfast. It's not too sweet. This place is so cool during Christmas time. So we're here early in the morning to try to get pictures without all of the people. And it's around 8 o'clock. And there's still quite a few like kids groups and tour groups coming through, so just be aware that it can get crowded real quick. Enjoying your morning walk, huh? Such a good boy. So this is spatzel, which is like a macaroni, and then they put cheese and some sausage with it. It's really rich. Really good. Okay, Kat, I've never actually eaten these before, so how do you do it?
So it's already cracked open.
Okay.
You just like peel it.
Okay.
Here.
Oh. Believe it or not, this is actually my first time with roasted chestnuts. They're really soft. Kind of dry. Definitely need some water with it, but they're good.
What did you have?
I had the mulled wine with amaretto. And you have the orange juice with honey. Miel. Google Translate is saving me on this trip. I know I look ridiculous, but whatever. I'm warm. This is Bredel, and they have it like in different shapes of men, and like gingerbread men, St. Nicholas, and they eat it. I think it's on this day. I think it's on New Year's or Christmas Eve, but it's kind of like a gingerbread. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. We're going to go and visit all of the important sites here in Strasbourg.